Today we're installing the hottest roof box in the business onto the hottest sedan in the business. I just have to get it down from the ceiling and put it on top of the car. But first we have to install these crossbars. Luckily, the M5 has these amazing mounting locations. They simply just pop open. When you're installing it, slap a towel on this side, then run around and position it here and align it on this side. And then remove the towel and align it on this side. Then we take the provided tool and tighten it to 8 Newton meters. Rinse and repeat on the other side. As you can see, I store my box on the ceiling. By the way, get yourself one of these brackets. Barely noticeable during the off season. And then when you want to remove it, you just apply some pressure. Pretend you're milking a cow. See? There you go. And it drops. Now, I could back up the car here, but I wonder if I can lower it and just swing it onto the roof. All right. Ready for this? Here comes nothing. Maybe not such a good idea. Oh, maybe. All right, it is locked in place. Okay, all right, I understand there's a more graceful way of doing this, but I wanted to do it as easy as possible since I'm doing it by myself. This is probably the sketchiest install you will ever see on this channel. Slide it over. This also confirms the fact that it fits under the lift. My gosh, this looks good. We're gonna mount it, and then we'll see what's next. The way you mount this box is pretty ingenious. You've got these arms that basically clamp it from the inside, and you can pretty much adjust it to any crossbar size that you have, or most. I mean, see, and it's pretty straightforward how you do it. Then, once it goes in, you can slide it forward and backwards before you fully lock it in place. So I take this clip, stick it in the hole, and tighten it, but I won't go all the way with tightness because I want to do the same thing with all 4 corners. See, again, take this clip it from the inside, tighten it, and then we're going to adjust it forward and back. Let's see it POV style. So we get in here. Yes, we're gonna get into all the specifics of why I chose this box. You see this? You open it up. This also slides. Essentially, you slide it. Let me just take it out. Slide this above the rail. There we go. Then put the clip in place and tighten it. And before you decide to tighten everything, make sure you adjust it, align it as you wish. You can move it forward, you can move it backwards. The instruction manual tells you exactly where to position it for your type of a vehicle. I'm following the specifications for this car. I'm eyeballing it based on how I think it looks best. But in your case, you might want to look at the manual. So once you fully adjust it, front, forward, left, right, then you can start tightening those clamps. And because I'm very obsessive, I like to measure the difference between here and there and make sure it's the same on both sides, but also in the back. And once you align everything, you can tighten it. In case you are wondering about over-tightening it, don't be, because it'll start clicking once it reaches a certain tension. You ready? There we go. Let's take it outside, peel all the foil, and let's see all the quirks and features of this box. Before we admire what this looks like, let's finally take off the protective cover. Oh yes, and also this, and last but not least, Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is my new roof box. I'm going to put the detail of this box in the video description, but there are a couple of reasons why I chose this box. The main reason being is how it looks. It's a low profile box, but it's wide, so it accommodates a lot of stuff. And not only that, this thing in the front. Most boxes are flat at the bottom. This one, not only is it flat at the bottom, but also curves down here for that added arrow. And to me, this is the proper box for the best sedan in the world. And yes, you do pay a premium for this box, but you get a lot of cool features aside from the look, such as the lock. Check this out. To open it, you press it here, open it up, then you close it. After something clicks here, then you can turn the key and take it out. Now to open it up, you can unlock it with the key, press this button here, and open it up. It opens up the same way on the other side, so it's dual-sided. And again, look, check this out. When I close it, see, this is still in red, so that means I cannot fully lock it with the key. That means something hasn't latched properly. So you just go down. No, see, it hasn't latched. There we go. Now it's latched. Close it, and you're good to go. But once you do open it up, check out all the features in it, such as this carpeted floor, which means you will not get a lot of noise into the cabin from all this ski and snowboarding equipment hitting the hard plastic. Also, you've got these LED lights. See, there's an LED light here and an LED light right above my head. So in those dark situations, you will always have lights. And of course, this comes with these mounting straps, and you've got the hooks here, so you can always strap your equipment and prevent it from moving if you're doing a lot of fast cornering. It also comes with this cool cover, so when you're storing it off season, you can wrap it in this cover and fully protect it from any elements. Now in my case, I am going to be ceramic coating the box. Simple application with some sponge. I'm going to put the ceramic coat in the description. But you do have to treat it with something so the snow and dirt doesn't stick to it. Because the car is ceramic coated, might as well ceramic coat the top. So this is what the best box on the market looks like on the best family sedan in the market. Let me know what you think of it by commenting below. If you have any questions or comments, also let me know. I'll answer every single one of them. I'm going to link it down in the description of this video. And now we're ready for the snowboarding season. Thanks for watching.